GetLogit AI is the latest AI software to hit the market, and if you're wondering if it's really worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about GetLogit AI, especially if you're new to it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether this tool is a game changer or just another AI software that overpromises and underdelivers. First off, GetLogit AI is designed to help businesses streamline their digital marketing efforts. It brings together the power of AI to manage ads, optimize content, and drive sales, all with minimal effort from your end. What sets it apart is how user-friendly the interface is. It's built to save time, but also not overwhelm users who might be new to AI-based tools. If you've tried other software in this space, you'll quickly notice that GetLogit has nailed the simplicity factor, making it accessible for both beginners and experts in the marketing field. Now let's talk about the key features. GetLogit AI stands out for its intuitive campaign management. If you've ever struggled with adjusting your ads across multiple platforms, GetLogit has streamlined this process. You can set up, monitor, and optimize your ads, all from a single dashboard. And with its smart AI, it constantly adapts to shifts in user behavior, ensuring that your campaigns perform at their best without requiring constant manual adjustments. The software also excels in content creation. Whether you need landing pages, blog posts, or ad copy, GetLogit AI can help you generate high-quality content in seconds. The AI analyzes trends in your industry and tailors the content to match the tone and style that resonates with your audience. This is huge for businesses that want to scale content creation without sacrificing quality. Next up is the reporting and analytics features. With GetLogit AI, you get detailed insights that break down the performance of every aspect of your marketing campaigns. It doesn't just give you surface-level metrics like click-through rates, it dives deep into what's working and what's not, and even provides actionable recommendations on how to improve your strategy. This level of insight can be a game changer for anyone looking to make data-driven decisions. Another standout feature is GetLogit AI's automation capabilities. It's not just about optimizing ads and content, it's also about automating repetitive tasks. From email marketing to social media posts, GetLogit takes over the grunt work so you can focus on more important aspects of your business. If you're tired of spending hours on marketing tasks that can easily be automated, this software has you covered. Let's also talk about the integration options. GetLogit AI integrates seamlessly with other tools you're already using, like Google Analytics, social media platforms, and email marketing software. This ensures you don't have to completely overhaul your existing workflow to start using GetLogit. The setup process is straightforward and you can get started quickly. Lastly, GetLogit AI is a relatively new release, but its potential is already clear. For those looking to get ahead in digital marketing, it's worth taking a closer look. The AI's ability to adjust in real time to user behavior makes it a standout in an ever-changing landscape, helping businesses stay competitive without the need for constant manual oversight. And if you're still unsure, the good news is that you can try GetLogit AI completely free from the first link below. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to test it out and see if it aligns with your needs. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently recommend GetLogit AI as one of the top contenders in the digital marketing space. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the link in the description to give it a try yourself, along with other AI tools that I've found valuable over the years. Make sure to check out the description for the free trials and start using the AI software that can take your marketing to the next level.